Hello and welcome back to another Healing Hikes adventure for this week. Last week we went to Rubicon Dam and we did the Aqueduct Trail, and there was a massive, huge, must-see waterfall. This week on Healing Hikes Australia, we're 15 metres above the tree canopy in this Mountain Ash rainforest. Mountain ash trees and myrtle beech trees can live up to 500 years old, and in this area some are estimated to be that old as well. The mountain ash tree can grow up to 100 metres tall, and the varieties around here are up to 70 metres tall. So we're on an elevated platform at the moment, which is 15 metres above the ground. So you can see the beautiful rainforest from up here, and then the walk will take us down along the creek, Cement Creek, and we'll be able to look at the rainforest nice and up close. So please enjoy this short, beautiful point of view video. So the point of this channel is to help you get out into nature from the seat of your couch. Whether you have a disability or mobility issues, or you're in another country and you just want to see hikes in Australia. And also just to really promote mental health and well-being, and how walking and spending time in nature really does give you clarity and that time to reflect on what's important in life and your values, and to really help build a sense of place and a sense of self while working on our own mindfulness and paradigms. So yeah, feel free to subscribe. It would really mean a lot. And check out my videos. I think we've got nearly 80 videos on the channel. Well, that's the end of the hike. This week was actually just a short walk, just something a little bit different, just to keep you inspired to getting out. It doesn't matter how far it is, whether it's 100 kilometers or whether it's just a couple hundred meters. So join us next week when we do go on a much longer version of a hike. We'll probably be doing about 15 or 20 kilometers. So I hope you're all well and happy hiking.